Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the ballerina look hack in DTI. So this ballerina look is pretty simple that I want to create. You can just first put on the tank top in here and change the color into black, and then just put on this skirt, this one, and change it to the color that you want. For example, I'm going to go with this pink color. Then put on this shirt, this short, and change it into pink color like the skirt. And next one, you can just put on this stocking in here, and change the color into white, and put on this leg warmers. Sorry, not that one, the one in the closet here. So walk up to the closet and choose the leg warmer here, this one, and make the colors the same with the skirt. And you are done with this ballerina look on the DTI. So that's pretty much all. I hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.